topic is the modern Indian society is still a challenging arena for women. For women. Yes. The modern Indian society is still a challenging arena for women. We're developing, but it is still a challenging arena.
Okay, friends. So today's topic for our group discussion is that the modern society of India is still a challenging arena for the women empowerment or for the women development. We can talk about the various topics like women empowerment, role in the society, role in housemaking, and various jobs. First of all, I would like to say a few points that it's true that India has developed and has emerged as a very big economy. It's even the part of the biggest, the largest growing economy of the world. But still, we are facing challenges like the derogatory comments made by politicians against the women and the kind of clothing they do, and the Khap Panchayat being the self-made moral police who are banning them to go to the parties and to not to wear this and not to wear that. So I want to say
about only the political parties.
Yeah,
when you are talking
about it's my first point that I am about to say that
when you talk about the women in powers, it starts with your own house.
Yeah, you are right. It starts with the own house. But the problem is that when a woman is in a marketplace or is in office, the kind of respect and the kind of remuneration that she gets is less than, is not at par with the.
You are only responsible for it because when she does the office, you only think this is one she cannot do.
Yeah, you are right. You are right about it. I am agree with you. I am not commenting on only on the politics.
हम देखते से ये बता देते हैं कि ये कर सकता है, ये नहीं कर सकता, ये लड़की है, ये काम इससे अच्छे से.
That's not right.
I think we all want to say one thing that we are in favor of the topic. So let's do one thing. Let's get on the same page. Let's take the exam. Let's take the basic thing.
Okay, let's discuss the following points and then suggest some countermeasures.
Yeah, so I would like to start here something.
Yeah.
That जैसे we say कि दो पहिए हैं वो एक गाड़ी के, men and women. If the Indian society it wants to grow, it wants to develop, then both of them has to be on the same
balance. The balance has to be maintained.
Whatever the point you say.
हमारे बॉडी में दो हाथ होते हैं, ठीक है? किसी का राइट स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, किसी का लेफ्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. तो हम लोग एक कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि राइट जो लेफ्ट राइट ही है उसके लिए राइट एक.
I am not getting your point.
पॉइंट बोलने
मतलब ये कि दोनों साथ में जब काम करेंगे तभी काम अच्छा हो सकता है, तभी इकोनॉमी बढ़ेगी.
लेकिन हमेशा एक हाथ रहता है हमेशा दूसरे हाथ से मजबूत होता है.
That's not correct always, because in a home both women and men are equally responsible for the upbringing of their children. You cannot say that.
Excuse me.
You cannot say that.
Yeah,
the point of role that men play.
Excuse me. We are sitting in a group discussion. I want to say कि अगर आप ये बात कह रहे हैं कि दोनों बराबर होना चाहिए, लेकिन आप उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं बिफोर सेइंग इट कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, आप क्या खुद कर देख रहे हैं? मुझे
करने में दिक्कत है.
But you cannot comment on.
Exactly.
We have to discuss it as a general topic.
It's not your myself.
Let us say something.
एक इंडिविजुअल की शुरुआत उसके घर से होती है. आप बताइए आपके घर में क्या आपका भाई आपको रोक रहा है, अभी क्यों जा रही है? पापा रोक रहे हैं, भाई रोक रहा है, सब रोक रहा है. वो लोग किसी रीजन से रोक रहे हैं. But there is some point that why always a woman is restricted? Why always a girl is restricted?
There are some points about that. Because in Indian society, I am not agreeing with that a family should put the restrictions on the girl child that they do not put on the boy child. But it's wrong. I am agreeing with that. But there are some things that they are overprotected towards the girl child. Because of the
The basic point is अगर बंदियों ने भी अगर इधर तक प्रोग्रेस कर ली है ना, the basic point is कि still we live in a man dominating society.
Man still think
exactly.
That is what they do.
Now we discuss what are the problems that women are facing.
India is a growing economy, but mentalities अभी भी वही की वही है. Mentalities grow नहीं.
So I have the consensus that of the group that every one of us agree to it that we are facing challenges. Women are facing challenges, right? All of us are on the same page.
It's basically it's the mentality.
You are a girl, she is a girl, I am a girl.
Exactly. Every day
girls have their girlfriends, they have their sisters, they have their mothers, they have their else relatives.
Actually, the point is that कि उनको respect करना नहीं आता. उनको ये लगता है कि हम dominate करें क्योंकि हमें society में क्या है? We are men, we have the power.
But हम ये the family imparted the children will go and will continue. If a family doesn't focus on what a children is learning, that he is learning to respect women or not. That will reflect on the society itself.
This reminds
जब
me
हम
of this
बचपन से बड़े होते हैं तभी हमें सिखाया जाता है कि हाँ ये है लड़की ये नहीं हो सकता तू कर सकता है तू जा ये हमेशा से होता है वो
we are talking about women status in our Indian culture, right? If we talk about Indian culture, Indian culture is male dominating country, and we have a strict mentality. We think women as a symbol of sex or a symbol of what is called sacrifice. Take any
people are going out, girls are going out,
no, it's nothing like that. This is the recent case जो अभी दिल्ली में हुआ, the rape case.
Before that, we will come back. Can I say one thing?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I respectfully disagree to your point that India is something like that because in Shastras and everything, women, it's written that women should be respected. Many of our goddesses are lady goddesses. Yeah. Things have changed.
But we are hypocrite.
Yes.
We are hypocrite. We are worshipping the goddesses and we say that कन्या तो हमारे घर की लक्ष्मी होती है, but we same people are disrespecting women in marketplace.
No, let me tell you. If you take about our culture only, past 50 years, if you see there is many changes. If you see Sati was implemented past 50 years, right? You can, if you go about the culture, there are many things where you can't say. But I agree with the point. We are being educated. We are coming to a place where we are becoming a what is called as developed country, right? So in this scenario, we are saying yes, women are getting the power, but if you take our history and everything, it will take change. Our mindset
is modern Indian society. We are talking about modern Indian society.
If you take history also, in Sanskrit it's a shlok yatta naryastu pujyante tatta ramyate devta. इसका मतलब ये है कि जहाँ नारी की पूजा होती है वहीं देवता
I'm not
it's written but we don't implement it.
That's what the problem is.
I have a question for all of you. In our home, say our mom is earning more than her dad's. कितने घरों में ये चीज अलाउड हो?
The man will not tolerate.
My point was in the starting. It has to be started with our own house.
Yes.
अगर मैं जा रहा हूँ कहीं बाहर घूमने, मैं अगर लेता हूँ 2-2.5 बजे तक, अगर मैं जा रहा हूँ बाहर, मैं 2-2.5 बजे आ रहा हूँ। अगर आप जा रहे हैं बाहर, आप 2-2.5 बजे तक बाहर आ रहे हैं, आपकी बहन जा रही है, वो 11 बजे से लेट हो जाए, उसे घर में इतनी मार पड़ेगी, इतनी डांट पड़ेगी, वो आपके घर से शुरू हो रहा है।
I'm not advocating that point also.
मैं आप पे नहीं बोल रहा, मैं जेंडर इंडियन बोल रहा हूँ।
I wanted to ask one thing, why you are just focusing on politicians?
No, you didn't hear my point. I was trying to say that those politicians are also coming from the same families as we are coming from. So if their parents would have imparted such kind of manners and in them, then they could not only the political point. We are under society also. We are the educated people also.
Let me tell something. The conclusion, what I think you are making the point that women are getting the points in the modern country, right? What's your opinion? You think that
women are getting the point, but the mentality hasn't been evolved so far.
Yes.
If we talk about the changes, I agree. I have some freedom over. If I compare myself to my other sisters who are living in a village, maybe I do agree that I have some more freedom than them. I was reading an article where it was written that 30% of the women in India are still living behind pardas.
And you know that
the only solution is that when women are coming ahead, they are struggling, but they are more struggling. If the mentality changes, अगर लोगों की सोच बदलती है, तो लोग women आसानी से अपना आप आगे लाते हैं।
चीजें एक बार में चेंज नहीं हो सकती हैं, they'll take time. But the thing is कि हम progress कर रहे हैं तो वो right direction में है।
But India is a culture of more than 4,000 years. Ours is just.
हो गया आप सुनो हमारे जो पिछला था जो हमारा पिछला संस्कृति है उसमें हमारे को देखा कि हमेशा जो हमने मतलब ये होता है कि हमने हर बार अपने माता को ज़्यादा पूजा है पिता के साथ। ये मैं नहीं कर रहा कि दोनों क्या नहीं करता है। हमारी एक संस्कृति भी है। हमने अभी आप यहाँ पर खड़े खड़े 10 देवी के नाम गिना सकते हैं लेकिन 10 देवता के नाम नहीं गिना। ठीक है, हमारी पिछली संस्कृति हमेशा मतलब स्त्रियों को ज़्यादा प्रीफर करती है। इसलिए वो संस्कृति थी कि स्त्रियों को घर पर रखकर पूजा ज़्यादा था। ये उन लोगों ने था कि उन लोग काम नहीं किया जाता। उनको एक बंधन में, घर के बंधन में बांधा गया कि वो लोग काम करें, एक अच्छी अपनी जिम्मेदारी करें। उनको बाहर इसलिए निकलने दिया या क्योंकि उनका कोई सोसाइटी नहीं, इसलिए नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग उनका रेस्पेक्ट करते थे, इसलिए उन्होंने सोच बदल रही है, एजुकेटेड हो रहे हैं लोग, एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं, तो हमारी सोच बदल रही है। अब धीरे धीरे गर्ल्स भी आगे आ रही है।
रेस्पेक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं। I tell you a live example 1 week ago, right? हमारे कॉलेज में ऐसा हुआ है, उन लड़कों की भी बहनें तो होंगी, उनकी भी मम्मी होगी, but when girls are passing, they are giving so
Guys, time out. You see that in a educated society, when girls are educated, their in-laws don't allow them to.
I'm very sorry. आपका time already up हो गया है. Second thing, you're not supposed to argue that way. You're supposed to participate in discussion. It's not a fight. That's very wrong.
I really want her to conclude.
No, everything is fine. Everybody was okay, but I think that's very bad. The way the discussion ended. But this concluded.
सिर्फ इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए सिर्फ बॉयज रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है, गर्ल्स भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है कहीं ना कहीं। तो हम सिर्फ मेल्स को हम लोग इसके लिए कर नहीं सकते, मतलब एक फैक्टर है कि गर्ल्स छोटे कपड़े पहन के निकलती हैं, आजकल उनको दारू पीने का शौक है, मोबाइल सेटिंग एंड ऑल, तो हम उसको भी देखना पड़ेगा ना एक चीज हम लोगों को।
अगर एक लड़का ही कर सकता है तो लड़की क्यों नहीं?
एक बार बताइए सिर्फ इसलिए कि लड़के अपने हार्मोन्स पे कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, हम छोटे कपड़े क्यों नहीं पहन सकते?
अगर आपकी भी सोच ऐसी रहेगी, यही
I think we can put some counter measures.
अभी आप कह रहे हैं लड़कों की गलती है तो लड़की की भी गलती है, तो ये आप ही की गलती है कि आप ऐसी सोच रख रही हैं। अभी आप ही ने अपनी सोच बताई कि हम छोटे पहन के जाते हैं तो हमारे साथ ही होता है। ये आप ही की
Now he said a point कि
Guys, let's conclude the topic. मतलब अब discussion करने से बहुत हो गया.
So
Can I say one more thing? We can suggest some counter measures. Yeah. Okay, one by one. Counter measures.
one by one.
Counter measures to curb the problem.
ओके सही है, अब सोच बदल रही है तो अब लड़कियों
नहीं, हम ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए जिससे ये प्रॉब्लम जो है ये मिटिगेट हो जाए?
Mitigate नहीं, point is he is giving his opinion, right?
We are discussing about that, so counter measures is also necessary.
Guys, nine topics.
Yeah.
Conclude करते हैं.
राजेश say one thing that अगर यहाँ पे कहीं किसी वीमेन के साथ ये हो रहा है या उन्हें कहीं रोका जा रहा है और if she complain, so जो क्रिमिनल है या जो कल्प्रिट है उसे ऐसी मतलब सजा तो नहीं देनी चाहिए जेल के अंदर, पब्लिक डिस्ग्रेस ऐसा देना चाहिए कि आइंदा कोई भी वो करे तो उसे पहले सोचे दो बार।
That's against the Constitution of India. You cannot do that. There are
ruling में change लाना है.
It's not an anarchy. It's not an anarchy. It's a democratic republic.
I am concluding. My point.
हाँ, he is just asking for strict laws, which is.
But in public, that's not.
Yes, I
आप कभी नहीं बदल सकते.
Okay.
Yes,
One thing that is that whenever we discuss this, whenever we discuss this one thing is always hidden. हम साइंस पे we focus on mathematics, we focus on physics, but we never focus on social studies. We never do that. हमारी basic problem, हमारी basic education में ही problem है.
Actually, it's not about the basic education. I must say कि हमारी जो culture रहा है, हमारी जो society रही है, उधर पे बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि हमको जो भी सोसाइटी में करना है वो हमको हमारे घर से प्राप्त होगा।
I think the best way to curb the problem
and the best is अगर women की education है, the basic education वो घर से start होगी and आपको आपके parents, आपके भाई, आपकी family ही दे सकती है। अगर आपकी फैमिली में आपको रिस्पेक्ट मिल रही है तभी आप जाके
मतलब आज ये चीज नहीं कह सकते कि एजुकेटेड जो लोग हैं उनमें ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ऐसा होता तो वो डॉक्टर
एग्जैक्टली
इवन एजुकेटेड क्लास इज डूइंग दिस थिंग।
हम लोग एजुकेशन बेसिक सोशल एजुकेशन
लोगों में डर नहीं है।
बेसिक सोशल एजुकेशन
लोगों में डर नहीं है, वो करते और चलते, डर नहीं है कि हमें कुछ होगा। सबसे बड़ी बात ये है हम लोग बनने चाहिए। डर जरूरी होता है किसी भी चीज को रोकने के लिए।
स्ट्रिक्ट लोग नहीं बनेगी तब तक नहीं होता।
अगर आप पनिश करेंगे लोगों को ज्यादा मारेंगे, it's not about the यार. I want to say one thing.
Guys, I'm very sorry. I have to end this discussion here because